If you want to sell your Arbitrum tokens early, you should watch this video. Hi guys, welcome to Coin Engineer YouTube channel. Today I am gonna show you how can you sell your Arbitrum token while listing time. Before starting the video, don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification icon to be instantly informed about such content. First of all, why are we making such a video? Let's talk about that. Maybe you know when Optimism OP token dropped, MetaMask users were unable to claim their tokens for a long time, and because of that user couldn't sell at the time of listing because MetaMask uses a node provider that called Infura, and Infura couldn't handle this load and crashed, so users couldn't claim their tokens for a long time. When we look at the Arbitrum, about 800,000 users won airdrops, and the same thing will happen if all the winners claim the airdrop at the same time. We make this video as a solution to this problem. Firstly, there are many node providers, and in this page there are the list of node provider. You can use a provider whichever you want, but in this video I will use Alchemy. Now I am gonna show you step by step how can you change your node provider on MetaMask. Firstly, you need to open an account on Alchemy. It's so basic, just sign in and you see a page like that page. Then you need to create an key. For that, in here come app section and click the create app button. We write a name in the first part of the page that opens. I am writing Coin Engineer Arbitrum. Then you can write anything you want in here. I am writing RPC. In chain section, we need to select Arbitrum chain because of we want to change our Arbitrum RPC and network need to be mainnet. After select these parts, we click the create app button. Then you will see a message like that. For the CURK, look this section and click the name that you created. For example, I was create Coin Engineer Arbitrum. Because of that, I am click that name. Lastly, we need to add MetaMask or key that created. For add MetaMask, coming here and click add to wallet. Afterwards, a confirmation comes to your MetaMask and you need to sign that message. Congratulations guys, your node provider was changed. After that, your MetaMask use Alchemy node, and this can help you to claim your Arbitrum token without any problem. Lastly guys, if you want, you can use another node provider in this page. In this page, you will see Alchemy, Omnia, Infura and Quick node, and other option is enabled for you. Okay guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope this video was useful to you. See you in our next videos.